How to pay with your card, including Discover. No PayPal account needed. Review your cart. Tap Secure Checkout. Enter your shipping information. At Payment, select PayPal. You will see card payment options on the next screen. If you want to pay with your card, tap Pay with Debit or Credit Card. Then follow the steps on the next screen. If PayPal asks for your email, enter it here. Then tap Continue to Payment. Please make sure to turn off the Save Info and create your PayPal account switch. Fill in the card and billing details PayPal shows here. Then complete your payment.